Most people come to Maui for the beaches, the Mai Tais, and the poke bowls, and that's fine. But this isn't that Maui. This is the backroad to Kaupo, where pavement gives up and the island gets really quiet. Out here, there is no rush. The days unfold slow, like a slack key guitar. People wave when they pass, and strangers are just cousins you haven't met yet. Kaupo isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, a reminder that the best parts of travel aren't always easy to get to. Please hit subscribe for more of my favorite places to visit on Maui.